here from Bayawan City. I started my application 2019, but it was stopped because of the pandemic. So I continued my application year 2021. Talaga kailangan magpursige. Persistence lang talaga. Yung attitude. Dami talagang challenges, pero worth naman po talaga ang experience pag nakapunta na po kayo dito. Grabe yung madaming sleepless nights, pag nilalagay mo talaga sa mind at saka sa heart mo. Tapos of course with prayer makukuha mo talaga with guidance ni Lord. May mga rejections, of course. Parang naka-5 interviews ako. So in that 5 interviews, 3 yung offer. Thank you, Lord. And then yes, with God's grace, I am here in Missouri. I am enjoying the benefit of the program. And sa lahat po ng gustong pumunta dito, magpursige lang po kayo. May para din sa inyo na district at may time din in God's will.